loves, welcome to my channel. If you're not feeling the love, you will be after you watch this video. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see more of these types of videos. I got all of the things for these decor pieces from the Dollar Tree, so super inexpensive. First thing I made were these heart pick flower pots. So easy to make, and these are all of the things that you need to make them. These heart picks from the Dollar Tree, and this decorative shred confetti thing, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a flower pot, which is also from the Dollar Tree, and I stole some of my son's Play-Doh for this video. The first thing you're gonna do is paint the pot.
In your arms, come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la.
Then the next step is super easy. All I did was take my Play-Doh and put it at the bottom. If you can find something better for this, I would. And I sawed these heart picks. It was made out of wood, so I had to use a saw. And then I just stuck it in the Play-Doh and then filled it with this decorative shred. Like I said, super easy, but still really cute for the Valentine's Day season.
How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now.
Alright, love, so the next thing that I made was this Valentine's felt heart wreath. Super easy to make. Once again, you need some cardboard. You're going to take that and cut a heart out of it. And I ended up doubling all of the cardboard just to make it a little bit more sturdy. I just went in freehand and then I traced like the wreath shape. So we're going to cut the little circular part out of the middle.
You make me crazy in a good way, so come on.
If you watched my last Decor DIY video, you know I love felt, so this is another one made out of felt. I got a bunch of red felt. All you're gonna do is cut circles out of the felt, as you can see that I'm doing here, and then you just glue it halfway and then you glue it the other half. So it makes a little triangle type shape and just ends up looking kind of like a pretty flower. Then simple enough, you just go ham and you just start gluing them as you wish all around. And I ended up covering the border with some felt just to make it look a little bit more clean cut. I do wish I would have just covered the whole heart in felt, so I would definitely suggest you do that if you want it to look a little better.
I can't live without you. You make me crazy.
And then I freehanded a little arrow to go across. I just thought it looked a little plain. You could leave your heart as is, but I just wanted to make a little glitter arrow for the top, and I just ended up hot gluing it on there. Nothing too fancy. I also wanted to show you some of the other things that I have set up in my little area, and I got these LED string lights from the Dollar Tree. Super good find. I feel like it's really short, but it's super cute. And I also have this DIY flower bouquet, which I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as these other little home decor items that I got from Five Below. This little marquee sign came from Walmart, and my lantern is from IKEA. And I just think that the area looks super cute. And then I put these LED lights behind, nothing fancy. I also have those in my TV unit. I got these from Walmart also. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you make any of these things. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!